If you love your children, don't leave them any inheritance. My name is Philip Bruce. I'm an estate planning attorney with Stone Arch Law Office here in Minnesota. Jane, a client of mine, not her real name, adores her adult kids, of course. They are going through those things that people go through in their 20s, some relationships and some moving around with jobs. And she has some concerns about what would happen if she just left them her money. In her case, it'd be about $300,000 to each of her 2 adult kids. Well, you certainly can just give them the money, absolutely, and that's probably the most common thing, and there's nothing wrong with that, but consider doing an alternative where what you do is instead of giving it to them directly, you say, I'm going to give it to you when you're 40 or something like that. Make up an age. What we do all the time is we'll right within a will, right within a revocable trust. You can do this as just part of your plan. In fact, it usually doesn't cost anything extra for the lawyer to do it. They're probably planning on doing something like this anyway. And what you say is, I'm giving all my money to my kids, but if they're under whatever age you want, call it age 30. If they're under 30, we're going to hold on to it for a little while, and we're going to make payments to help them. We'll pay for any healthcare expenses, any educational expenses. We'll pay for some general living and support. You need a trustee. You need someone who you trust who can manage that money and kind of be the wall between them and their inheritance. But you can really create any rules you want. You can create a stipend. You can say they don't get anything until they're a certain age. And then you can say when they're 30 or 35 or 40 or 25 or 18 or never. You can say whatever age you want or no age for life. You can manage it if you want to. But you can say they don't get it, and then when they're 35, maybe whatever it might be, they get whatever's left. Do that when you have any concerns at all about people making some decisions that might not fall within your values for your money. Any questions on this or anything else, obviously, feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email.